In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us are having several difficulties in our life. Almost all of us are having several difficulties, many of the difficulties in our life. Although some of these are more disturbing than others, but the troubles and the difficulties are many. To the surprise of many people, these difficulties are many of these difficulties are created by we ourselves, either directly or indirectly. What is this direct creation of the difficulties and what is this indirect creation of the difficulties for we ourselves? Directly mean that we did all or most, we said something very nonsense, we did something very nonsense, or whatever we did was right but we did it carelessly, etc. Another some of these because we became the reason why someone else is doing the bad with us. Either we said something very bad, very nonsense, very foolish, or we did something very foolish. Due to this, due to these two, someone else became either very angry or they picked up weak point of ours and started manipulating and exploiting us, started blackmailing us, etc. So this is how we create the difficulties for we ourselves indirectly. Now we can reduce these difficulties. Actually we can reduce these difficulties. We can reduce the creation of these difficulties if at all we do start observing certain cautions. How can we reduce it? By observing certain cautions, by being somewhat careful, by knowing first how do we create the difficulties for us, and then later on doing our utmost, doing everything we can to stop creating these difficulties for we ourselves. Speak less. Speak less. And don't say something without considering it well in advance. Weigh first whatever you are going to say, think well about what you are going to say, and then only do say. Because something out of what we do say is caught by the other person, who is actually a blackmailer, who is actually a manipulator and exploiter, who is actually a deceiver, who is actually a cheater. And once someone else comes to know our weak points, then they think that it is their right to exploit, to blackmail us. So that is why it is very much important to speak very less on the one hand and very carefully and cautiously on the other hand. And then when someone else is talking, it is far better to listen it and listen it well. Be a good listener. Listen to whatever somebody is saying in a respectful manner. And then there are certain things which we don't agree, but it is not necessary to somehow to resist. although we don't agree, but it is not necessary to disagree. It is not necessary to resist actually, and it is far better to stay quiet. While there are certain other occasions or certain other points where it becomes important to show to show our disagreement, to show our difference of opinion, but here too we have to be very respectful, and we do have to be very careful and cautious. Although we have decided and opted to disagree, to show our difference of opinion, but we are doing that all in a careful and cautious manner, in a respectful manner, in such a way that the other person don't make it a reason for their ego to oppose us, or to retaliate, or to somehow do something angry. So this is also important. Then comes the making of decisions. As far the decisions are concerned, our life actually depends upon the decision we make. So we do have to make the decision in a very in a meticulous, after the meticulous consideration. Otherwise it is going to hurt us. Otherwise it is going to put us in the deep trouble we don't want to put ourselves in. Carefully consider all the options and then only choose in favor of one. We need to know all the details or most of the details regarding each and every option. This is how we can reduce up to great extent the kind of difficulties which we were creating for ourselves earlier. Thank you.